Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared this fish 65. This is a South Indian classic dish and we really enjoy it as a starter or as a side dish for biryanis and pulaus. Now let's get started. Here I'm using sailfish which is washed thoroughly, and these sailfish cubes I purchased from Fresh to Home. So add the fish cubes to a mixing bowl. We'll be using an egg, and the spice powders is chili powder, turmeric powder, kasuri methi, curry powder, chicken masala and pepper powder. We'll also use tiny amount of cumin powder. I've added the kasuri methi, I've just crushed it and added, and then I've added all the spice powders along with asafetida. Now I'll add an egg and ginger and garlic paste. We will marinate these masalas in the fish for 30 minutes. So I am showing you all the brands that I've used in this recipe because you'll get the exact same taste. I'll list all the brands in the products list, or you can visit the description box below this video to see what all brand masalas I've used. Now I've added ginger and garlic paste, egg. I've not added salt. I'll add the salt later. I'll also add lime juice. Just combine all the ingredients, cover it, and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Let it marinate for minimum 30 minutes. If you leave it overnight, you'll get better taste. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, I posted a detailed recipe along with the prep steps. Now here you can see the fish is marinated well. Now to the fish, I'll also be adding some corn flour, all-purpose flour. We'll be using some curry powder, and I'll add some salt. So mix all these ingredients well in the fish. It's ready to fry at this point. I've heated a wok on medium flame. I've added oil. Once the oil has reached temperature, place it on low flame, allow it to reach temperature. Once the oil has reached temperature, we'll start frying the fish out. These sailfish cubes is very easily available in Fresh to Home. It's deboned and there is no skin. Nice cubes you get, and it's very affordable. For two people, it's very affordable. Here you can see my oil has reached temperature. Once it has reached temperature, I'll start adding my sailfish cubes to this, and we need to fry it on low to medium flame. You have to change the flame setting now and then. Every 2 minutes you have to keep changing it from low to medium, because the fish has to cook all the way inside, and sailfish takes a longer period to cook. So altogether it took me around 5 minutes to cook the sailfish on each side. So I just kept gently turning it every 2 minutes, and I kept frying it. Also add the curry leaves. It gives a very nice flavor and taste once the curry leaves is fried in oil. This pairs very well with all our South Indian meals. Rasam rice especially, the combination is very nice. Rasam rice and biryani, pulaus, it's very nice. Try this recipe out, friends. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, I posted a detailed recipe. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for regular updates. All my other social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. Now once the fish has fried well, I'm just going to drain it using a slotted spoon and place it on a tissue paper. Allow all the excess oil to drain out, and then I'm going to serve this as hot as possible. This pairs very well with rasam rice, as I told you. It's very nice and tasty. Try this recipe out, friends. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this recipe video with your friends. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.